Hello and welcome. My name is Nabila Harold. I am the Customer Success Team Lead at Enverus Trading and Risk. Today, I will show you how to install MarketView Excel add-in on your computer. So first, go to marketview.com and next, go to Support Center and click on Downloads. Make sure you are under the MarketView Excel tools and then pick the latest release. Click here. A pop-up window should appear. Just click on it and follow the instructions by going next, install. And there you go. You should be all good to go. MarketView should be installed. Yeah, there you go. It has been installed on my computer. Just hit finish and you are all good to go. Ready to use MarketView Excel add-in? This was Nabila Harold. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.